Earlier this year, IDC Government Insights predicted that by 2024, 90% of greenfield cities and 20% of existing cities globally will adopt digital space planning capabilities and new zoning regulations to realize the benefits of the growing sharing economy. With COVID-19, this has pushed the priorities of such city capabilities into the immediate forefront. Whether it is ride-hailing and ride-sharing services, shared micro-mobility services, space rentals and co-working space rentals, the sharing economy has evolved rapidly within cities as businesses struggle to stay afloat and survive through the shutdown and quarantine month of COVID-19. This also means that city governments will need to be able to capitalize on its new digital economy through the safe and efficient use of scarce resources, such as the designated parking and street redesign in dense urban spaces. And Asia-Pacific city leaders have started to make changes to their zoning, tax, job protection, and traffic regulations, as well as to redesign the physical urban space to address the concerns and maximize the benefits of the sharing economy that is being affected by the impact of COVID-19. On that note, it gives me great pleasure to present to you our finalists and winners under the theme of administration and economic affairs. And our first category is for administration. The 2020 finalists are Haidin City Brain AI Computing Center by the Haidin government in Beijing, China. Haikou City Brain by Haikou government in Hainan province in China. Shenzhen Administration's Market Regulation Approval Platform by the Shenzhen government in Guangdong province in China. And our winner is Haikou City Brain. The Haikou City Brain is a citywide data pool that is supported by a command center that handles city situations in real time by mitigating risks and managing responses across a variety of government services, including public safety, transportation, and healthcare. So congratulations to Haikou government. Our next category is for economic development, tourism, arts, libraries, culture, and open spaces. And our 2020 finalists are e-visitor authentication system by the Singapore Tourism Board and Singapore Hotel Association. Cosmos Hatch by the Kaohsiung government in Taiwan. Intelligent tourism through digital currencies and blockchain technologies by the Malacca government in Malaysia. And Tongling Smart Industrial City Innovation Project by the Tongling government in Anhui province in China. And our winner for this category is the Intelligent Tourism through Digital Currencies and Blockchain Technologies by the Malacca government in Malaysia. This project uses blockchain technology to track tourist visas, passengers, luggage, and booking services in real time, enabled by a cryptocurrency collaboration that is used to make payments of government-based services in Malacca. So congratulations to Malacca government again. And our third category is for smart buildings and smart tech parks. And our 2020 finalists for this category are Chengdu High-Tech Zone by the Chengdu High-Tech Industrial Development Zone government in Sichuan province in China. Swire Properties Untitled Place by the Financial Secretary Incorporated and Swire Properties in Hong Kong. Jiashan Park Smart Space Operation Management Platform by the Jiashan City Government in Zhejiang Province in China. Yanqing Smart City Green Cloud Computing Center by the Yanqing District and Beijing Government in Beijing, China. And finally, Smart Lighting for Public Housing Estates by the Housing Development Board in Singapore. And our winner for this category is the Smart Lighting for Public Housing Estates by the Housing Development Board and ST Engineering in Singapore. This project involves over 10,000 luminaries and with motion sensors connected wirelessly to a mesh network managed through a single backend platform that provides on-demand lighting monitoring and control for public housing developers in Singapore. So congratulations. And we move on to our fourth category, which is for connected and autonomous vehicles, public transit, ride-hailing, ride-sharing services. And our 2020 finalists are Mass May Go, integrated public transit projects in Kaohsiung Metropolitan by the Kaohsiung government in Taiwan. On-demand autonomous buses by the Sentosa Development Corporation and Ministry of Transport in Singapore. Frenzy application by the Auckland City Council in New Zealand. Sydney Automated Metro by the Sydney government in New South Wales, Australia. And indoor integrated public transit by the Indore City government in India. And our winner for this category is On-Demand Autonomous Buses project by the Sentosa Development Corporation and Singapore's Ministry of Transport and ST Engineering. Autonomous bus shuttles developed by ST Engineering in collaboration with Singapore's Ministry of Transport, powered by a robotics management system that can collect data on route, occupancy and frequency in Sentosa Island in Singapore. Congratulations. And our next category is for urban planning and land use. And this is our final category to be presented. So thank you for sticking with us through this time. And our 2020 finalists for this categories are development of a common spatial data infrastructure by the Hong Kong's Planning Department in Hong Kong. Smart unmanned aerial vehicle enhanced, or otherwise known as SWAVE, by the Singapore Land Authority. New generation radar data sharing and services platform for an integrated ecological monitoring solution by the Shenzhen government in Guangdong province in China. Vehicle mobile mapping system by the Hong Kong Land Department in Hong Kong. And smart strategic planning, Byron, by the Byron Share Council in Australia. And for this category, we actually have two winners. The first winner is the development of a common spatial data infrastructure by the Hong Kong Planning Department and our partners. This solution is a cloud-based platform that uses spatial data for urban planning and design formulation in collaboration with government agencies and real estate developers in Hong Kong. And our second winner, and this is my personal favorite, is Smart Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Enhanced, or the SWAVE project by the Singapore Land Authority, otherwise known as SLA. With over 5,000 state properties under its management, SLA deploys drones to inspect and detect maintenance issues on state properties, which are subject to periodic facade inspection required by the Buildings and the Construction Authority. The images captured by the drone's high-resolution cameras are analyzed by a unique machine learning algorithm known as the Smart Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Enhanced, or the SWAVE project, programmed specifically to detect defects in buildings and potential maintenance issues as small as cracks, debris, water ponding, and even plant growth on state properties. At the same time, verified maintenance issues will be automatically sent to SLA's in-house Smart Land app for officers' follow-up action and tracking while on the move. So congratulations to all of our finalists and winners on the theme of administration and economic affairs. I will now pass the time back to Chris Holmes for our today's closing remarks. Over to you, Chris.
Thank you, Zhenshan. I now present to you the complete list of 2020 SCAPA winners. Asia-Pacific smart city governments are working hard to keep pace with technology advances and take advantage of new opportunities in the context of risk management, public expectations, and funding needs to scale initiatives. We look forward to your nominations next year and hope to engage with you very soon. Thank you for coming and joining us in this awards webcast. Once again, thank you to all of you for attending this webcast, and congratulations once more to all the finalists and all the winners. Please watch out for our public nominations for SCAPA 2021, which will be early next year. And if you have any further queries, please do reach out to Tessa Rago at trago@idc.com. And with that, thank you very much for your kind attention, and I hope you have a great weekend ahead. Thank you all.